name is Chantelle, and I'm the Parts and Service Advisor at Legacy Dodge Claresholm. In parts and service, we do every make and model and do every repair. First thing we do a 1-hour diagnostic with an 85-point inspection on there. We check everything from front to back, as well as looking at your main concern. So if you're having concerns with your brakes, we will take a look at that and make sure there are no other underlying issues when your brakes are getting serviced. Coming from a small town family and having those big repairs, especially on company trucks and personal vehicles, downtime is the biggest issue. We want to get you back up and running, and we want to make sure that you have peace of mind knowing that you're going to be safe on the road. It's always frustrating when you have unexpected things pop up in life, and we just try to reassure you that we got you taken care of and we have your back. Trust is key. If you don't trust the mechanic that's working on your vehicle or the company that's working on your vehicle, you're not going to feel safe in your vehicle. We like to build trust with our customers by being upfront. If you're ever in need of anything or just have a question, you can always reach out and call us, or you can come see us down here at the dealership. We hope to see you soon.